And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
And welcome back, everyone. A fair amount of cloud cover out there this afternoon in parts of southern Colorado. Not doing much to help us escape the heat, as it's really trapping in the heat of the day close to the Earth's surface. And we're getting some pretty good showers and storms, mainly up towards the Castle Rock area in southern Douglas County. Also getting some good storms across the eastern plains along and just south of the I-70 corridor. And a fair amount of storm activity here into the San Luis Valley and the La Garitas. Take a look at this storm really blowing up just to the east of Hanover. A lot of heavy rain, some dangerous lightning associated with that storm. Looks like it's drifting off to the east-southeast at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Not really seeing much of a hail core, but see these lines extending from the storms? That's what we like to call outflow winds. As all that energy hits the ground, it's not absorbed by the surface. Instead, it spreads out in all sorts of directions, and that's what we call those outflow boundaries or outflow winds. They can be pretty dangerous. Gusts, I imagine, from this storm are around 40 to 50 miles per hour. Also getting some lighter rain showers up towards, again, southern Douglas County, right along the Palmer Divide. Some of those showers moving across the very northern parts of Teller County. Looks pretty stormy from our Monument Hill cam. Those are some of those rain showers we just showed you up across areas into Douglas County. It's dry right now in Monument, but you do have some showers in and around town, so we could be getting wet here within the next 10 to 15 minutes. Also looking stormy in the Springs this afternoon, 85 degrees after warming all the way to 97 this afternoon. Now, the big national story is the heat right here into the southern plains. All this lighter gray or white shaded area, that's temperatures at or above 100, even 110 degrees. And right now it's 108 in Dallas, 107 Wichita, 107 Amarillo, 104 currently in El Paso. For us, eventually as we head towards sunset, we'll continue to see some isolated to scattered showers and storms. And then later tonight, temperatures expected to cool down to the mid 60s in the Springs and Pueblo, as temperatures tomorrow morning will be pretty comfortable under mostly clear skies. But we will heat up quickly. We are expecting more numerous showers and storms than what we saw today, and they'll begin to develop where the better instability is over the higher terrain around the lunch hour, and then begin to press east between about 2 and 6 p.m. And I think because of the stormier nature of tomorrow's forecast, we should be about 3 to 6 degrees cooler than what we saw out there this afternoon. All right, so here's your overnight lows tonight. They're mild compared to the average, but at least they drop us down to the 60s around the Springs. Still some lower 70s out across the southeast plains and some 50s expected in the mountain valleys. Tomorrow, Westcliff around 82 degrees. Pueblo back down to the upper 90s, 89 in the Springs, and 85 the daytime high in Monument. Let's talk about those rain chances first on your Super 7-day forecast. Dry in the morning, but anytime after the lunch hour, rain chances begin to develop, and you can see between about 3 and 5 o'clock, that's likely to be the most active part of the day. Sort of a one and done with the storm chances tomorrow. We're seeing drier conditions Thursday to Friday, and the heat builds back because of that. Still hot with an isolated storm Saturday, and then it looks like a cooler pattern and a stormier pattern beginning on Sunday. For Pueblo, we have 90s Wednesday to Thursday, and then back to the triple digits for a few days before we get some heat relief Sunday to Monday. Highs by then back down to the lower to middle 90s. Canyon City highs here between 90 and 99 degrees over the next 7 days. It's above average most of the time, but will be a little bit cooler as we head towards the end of the weekend, as we're expecting more widespread showers and storms. And for Woodland Park, here's your Super 7-day forecast. A rainy afternoon tomorrow, and it looks like we're dry for the most part Thursday, but those storms expected to build back into Teller County just in time for the weekend.